In this video, I'm showing you how to make pico de gallo salsa, and you can make it as spicy as you like with a little jalapeno, or you can make it mild. I always love making a fresh salsa. So if you're ready, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef. Let's get cooking. Alright, so all you'll need for your pico de gallo is some onion, a little bit of garlic, fresh lime, jalapeno, some tomatoes, fresh cilantro, and then just some salt and pepper. So that's it. Let's chop it up. First up, we need to mince our onion. So you can cut it as so into a julienne cup first, and then turn it on its side and go ahead and mince it. You can add the onion directly into the bowl that we're going to mix the salsa in. Next up, you want to mince the jalapeno. And just depending, if you want it completely mild, I would leave the jalapeno out. Otherwise, if you like it spicy, you can add a little bit more than I did. Again, turn it on its side here, and we're just gonna mince it. Add that to the bowl. Next up, the tomatoes. First, you want to take the core out of them. There's a couple ways to do this. One is to cut it diagonally as so, and remove the core. The second is to cut it into quarters and then turn it on its side and just cut it right out like that. So you can do it either way, whatever is easiest for you. Next, go ahead and small dice those. Add all those beautiful tomatoes right to the mixing bowl. Looks so good. Next up, let's mince the garlic. Again, I really love garlic, so I've added about 2 cloves. If you like a little bit less, just add 1. Next, some fresh cilantro. You're gonna want to take off the stem of it, so just go ahead and peel as much as you need. I like to leave a couple sprigs out for the garnish. Bunch it all up in your hand, and this is gonna make it super easy to cut it. So make a little bunch as so, and then holding it with one hand and then cutting it with the other. And this can kind of be rough chopped. It doesn't have to be super small. Go ahead and add that to the bowl. A little fresh lime. Really get in there and squeeze all that juice out. A little salt. A little pepper, and now just give it a really good toss, and you can taste it and adjust the seasonings if you need. Add a little more jalapeno if you like a little more spicy. Adjust the salt and pepper. Oh my gosh, so fresh. Next, plate it up. Add some little sprigs of cilantro on top, some tortilla chips, and wow. Looks bomb. This goes great for an appetizer if you're having a party, or you could use it for your meal prep to really spice it up and add a fresh punch of flavor. If you want to make this dish for yourself, check out the recipe down below in the video description. Also, there's a link for my full Meal Prep Academy course if you want to learn how to meal prep for yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.